Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Well, this morning I decided that I need to take the bull by the reins and try to get as organized as I can. I have a lot to do and I'm doing it by myself. So I started by sorting things out from these cubby holes here so that I can use them for my products. And then I went to this bookcase that I had other things stored in and removed all of those things, the first 3 shelves. And that is where all of my Bath and Body Works, my Dollar Tree, my Rainbow, my City Trends, all of those things are there. As well as my loafahs, my towels, my washcloths, socks. All of those are on that 3rd shelf there. I need a couple more of these bookcases. I got this one at a yard sale, so I'm just going to have to look around for some and put them to use so I can make my shed a little more functional. But this is how I started my day. I started doing this morning, probably about 7:30 or 8. And I did this in between making baskets, so gotta clean up the floor, but right now we've at least got this much organized. So it's a closer look of the wallets and everything that I put on these shelves. And 2nd shelf, like I said, has all my perfumes and Bodycology and Bath and Body Works. And then the top shelf I have all my cheaper, lower end items from Dollar Tree. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be blessed and be a blessing.